everyone, my name is Uma Dey, wife of a supercharged, energetic businessman and mother of a restless boy who loves coding. I was a teacher, then turned to IT professional and now shifting to digital marketing with my core interest in helping people with my knowledge in kitchen and flower garden in this fast-turning digital world. During my teenage days, I do remember watching my father working on his plant in his courtyard. I used to participate along with him, though not really understanding any of the benefits. From those days, I always had a passion of having my own garden one day. But due to some or other reason, I drifted away from my passion for owning my own personal garden. Anyhow, keeping aside all the hustle and bustle of life, I started with flower garden on my balcony and terrace. Today, our modern world is attaining success in technology every day. But as we are progressing in technology, we are somehow losing out the most essential necessity of life, which is our mother nature. We are putting our earth into danger with or without understanding the approaching danger for us and for the next generation to come. It's very difficult to get fresh air in urban areas nowadays due to pollution in the air. It's hampering our health and very badly. Today we see a shortage of trees and plants in our society and city. Whatever is left are getting affected by pollution. One has to visit the botanical garden to see trees, plants and flowers. Not only this, there is so much adulteration in vegetables and fruits. People are getting sick by eating adulterated foods and vegetables. Today, to get rid of the impurities and chemicals from our purchased vegetable and fruit items from the stores, we wash vegetables well before cooking and then boil them, and only after that we cook food. As a child, I used to watch my father planting vegetable seeds in the courtyard. He would take care of his plants very lovingly and nourish them with water and organic fertilizers. I still remember those days when the plants sprouted. I used to be very happy to see the small plants coming out beneath the earth. As I grew up, I moved away from gardening. The study, job and then marriage kept me away from it. I was stuck at home. But over time, everything started changing. My love for nature and passion to grow flowers and vegetable plants started creeping inside me. When I started with my small garden, I was not experienced and did not know the basics of gardening. But as I started learning and growing in this direction of gardening, I found I have little knowledge about the fundamentals of gardening. I believe if you do something from your heart, everything becomes easy and entertaining. The urban gardening teaches us that we don't need a lot of space to grow our own food. There are many ways to build our garden, like vertical gardening, balcony gardening, container gardening, terrace gardening and hydroponic gardening. All this kind of gardens utilizes our home space very well. The problem with most of the people is that they do not know the fundamentals and basics of gardening. As a result, they lose out on the plants and money spent on them. This course is for those who are interested in gardening just to beautify their home or get the food production from the garden. Here in this online course, we would be initiating learning the basics of gardening and other topics related to gardening, which will be discussed in sequence in further chapters. Today, perception of people in our society are changing. Changes are coming in people's mind and attitude. Now we are getting aware of the importance of natural and pure air. I do see lots of people are getting involved in growing flowers and fruits and vegetables in their small kitchen and flower gardens in urban areas. More and more people are enjoying the pleasure of working in the garden. And there are many benefits associated with building and working daily in your garden. It provides us with vitamin D as soon as we get exposed to sunlight. We attend fresh and healthy diets. Gardening reduces stress, and gardening provides a source of exercise to keep our body fit and healthy. There are many more benefits which we will discuss in detail in further chapters.